Long trips can be exhausting, but what if we told you there are 20 incredible travel accessories on Amazon that can totally transform your journey? From futuristic gadgets to clever essentials you've probably never seen, these items are designed to make your travels more comfortable, convenient, and stress-free. Stick around, because by the end, you'll discover must-have gear that every traveler wishes they had. Number 1. Napfun-travel-neck-pillow. The napfun-travel-neck-pillow is a must-have for comfort on the go. Made from 100% memory foam, it contours perfectly to your neck, reducing stiffness and pain during flights, road trips, or train journeys. Its soft, breathable cover keeps you cool, while the lightweight portable design clips easily to your luggage. Ideal for frequent travelers, it delivers premium support at a budget-friendly price. Enhance your travel rest and arrive refreshed. Click the product link below to grab your Napfun-travel-neck-pillow. Number 2. Bagale Packing Cubes. 8. Set the Bagale. Packing Cubes 8 set helps travelers stay organized and save luggage space. These lightweight, durable cubes separate clothes, shoes, and accessories, preventing wrinkles and making unpacking easier. Perfect for weekend trips, long vacations, or business travel, they keep everything neatly in place. Breathable mesh panels allow easy identification of items, and sturdy zippers ensure long-lasting use. Simplify packing and maximize suitcase space. Click the product link below to get your Bagale Packing Cubes 8 set. Number 3. Dreamegg-portable-noise-machine. The Dreamegg-portable-noise-machine is perfect for achieving restful sleep anywhere. Compact and travel-friendly, it produces soothing white, pink, and brown noise to block distractions in airplanes, hotels, or hostels. Rechargeable and lightweight, it's easy to carry on trips of any length. Its calming sounds improve sleep quality, reduce stress, and help travelers stay refreshed. Essential for frequent flyers or anyone sensitive to noise, this gadget enhances comfort on the go. Check the product link below to grab your Dreamegg portable noise machine. Number 4. Miikare-airplane-phone-holder. The Miikare-airplane-phone-holder keeps your device secure and hands-free during flights. Easily attachable to airplane tray tables, it supports phones and small tablets at adjustable angles for watching movies, video calls, or reading. Lightweight, portable, and durable, it fits neatly into your carry-on or backpack. Perfect for long-haul flights or road trips, it reduces neck strain and improves travel convenience. Enhance in-flight entertainment effortlessly. Click the product link below to get your miikare-airplane-phone-holder. Number 5. Everlasting Comfort Airplane Foot Hammock. The Everlasting Comfort Airplane Foot Hammock provides relief during long flights, buses, or trains. Easy to attach under tray tables, it supports feet, reduces pressure, and improves circulation. Lightweight and compact, it fits in carry-ons or backpacks for easy travel. Durable and adjustable, it enhances comfort and reduces fatigue on long journeys. The ideal for frequent travelers or anyone seeking extra in-flight comfort, this foot hammock transforms travel experiences. Click the product link below to grab your Everlasting Comfort Airplane Foot Hammock. Number 6. Bedsure-Gentle-Soft-Fleece-Throw. The Bedsure-Gentle-Soft-Fleece-Throw is perfect for cozy travel comfort. Lightweight, soft, and compact, it easily fits into backpacks, carry-ons, or car seats. Ideal for flights, road trips, or camping, it keeps you warm without taking up much space. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the plush texture provides a premium feel. Perfect for travelers who value comfort on the go, this fleece throw makes any journey relaxing. Click the product link below to get your Bedsure-Gentle-Soft-Fleece-Throw. Number 7. Levsox-Thick-Cotton-Compression-Socks. Levsox-Thick-Cotton-Compression-Socks are essential for long trips, flights, or extended standing periods. Designed to improve circulation, reduce fatigue, and prevent swelling, they provide support and comfort throughout the day. Made from soft, breathable cotton, these durable socks fit snugly without restricting movement. Perfect for travelers, athletes, or daily use, they help maintain foot health while ensuring all-day comfort. Stay energized on the go. Click the product link below to grab your Levsox Thick Cotton Compression Socks. Number 8. Y-Top Insulated Water Bottle, 24 ounces. The Y-Top Insulated Water Bottle keeps drinks cold or hot for hours, making it ideal for travel, hiking, or daily commutes. Its 24-ounce size is perfect for hydration on the go. And while the leak-proof lid prevents spills in backpacks or luggage, lightweight yet durable, it's easy to carry and fits in most cup holders. BPA-free and travel-ready. It's an essential companion for any trip. Stay refreshed and hydrated. Click the product link below to get your Y-Top Insulated Water Bottle. Number 9. Nishel-Travel-Toiletry-Bag. The Nishel-Travel-Toiletry-Bag organizes personal care items efficiently while traveling. Spacious, lightweight, and durable, it features multiple compartments for bottles, cosmetics, and grooming essentials. Water-resistant materials prevent spills, while its compact design fits easily in carry-ons or backpacks. Perfect for weekend trips, long vacations, or business travel, it keeps toiletries neat, accessible, and protected. Simplify packing and reduce stress on the go. Click the product link below to grab your Nishel-Travel-Toiletry-Bag. Number 10. Jisulife-Handheld-Turbo-Fan. The Jisulife-Handheld-Turbo-Fan is a compact, high-powered solution to beat heat while traveling. Lightweight and portable, it delivers strong airflow for comfort during flights, road trips, or summer adventures. Rechargeable and quiet, it fits easily in backpacks or carry-ons, making it a travel essential. Durable and stylish, it comes in multiple color options and even doubles as a small power bank in a pinch. Stay cool and refreshed wherever you go. Click the product link below to grab your Jisulife-Handheld-Turbo-Fan. Number 11. Fiskars-Travel-Sewing-Kit. The Fiskars-Travel-Sewing-Kit is compact, portable, and perfect for on-the-go clothing repairs. Lightweight yet complete, it includes needles, threads, buttons, and essential tools for quick fixes during trips. Its durable case keeps everything organized and easy to access, fitting neatly in backpacks, carry-ons, or luggage. Ideal for travelers, campers, or students, it prevents minor wardrobe mishaps from ruining your day. Travel prepared and worry-free. Click the product link below to grab your Fiskars Travel Sewing Kit. Number 12. Tumella-windproof-travel-umbrella. The Tumella-windproof-travel-umbrella offers reliable protection against rain and wind while traveling. Lightweight, compact, and durable, it easily fits in backpacks or carry-ons. Its reinforced frame withstands gusts without flipping, while the automatic open and close function ensures convenience. Perfect for city trips, hiking, or daily commutes. It combines practicality with travel-ready design. Stay dry and comfortable wherever you go. Click the product link below to get your Tumella windproof travel umbrella. Number 13. Skytrax-comf-travel-pillow. The Skytrax-comf-travel-pillow provides ergonomic support for restful travel. Made from soft, high-quality memory foam, it contours to your neck to reduce stiffness and discomfort during flights, trains, or road trips. Lightweight and portable, it easily clips to luggage or fits in a carry-on. Ideal for frequent travelers or anyone needing a comfortable sleep on the go, this pillow enhances travel rest significantly. Click the product link below to grab your Skytrax-comf-travel-pillow today. Number 14. Anker-Nano-Travel-Adapter. The Anker-Nano-Travel-Adapter is a must-have for international travelers. Compact yet powerful, it supports multiple plug types and features USB ports for charging phones, tablets, and other devices worldwide. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily into backpacks or carry-ons. Built with surge protection and safety in mind, it ensures reliable, worry-free charging anywhere. Perfect for business trips or vacations, it simplifies travel and keeps devices powered. Click the product link below to get your Anker-Nano-Travel-Adapter. Number 15. Crisonky-Travel-Camping-Pillow. The Crisonky-Travel-Camping-Pillow is lightweight, compact, and perfect for on-the-go comfort. Inflatable and adjustable, it supports the neck and head during flights, camping, road trips, or train journeys. Easy to pack and carry, it fits neatly into backpacks or luggage. Durable and quick to inflate, it combines convenience with comfort, ensuring restful sleep anywhere. Ideal for frequent travelers or outdoor enthusiasts, it makes long trips more relaxing. Click the product link below to grab your Crisonky Travel Camping Pillow. Number 16. Rosoz-foldable-travel-flip-flops. Rosoz-foldable-travel-flip-flops are lightweight, portable, and perfect for travel, beach trips, or hotel stays. Compact and foldable, they fit easily in backpacks, carry-ons, or suitcases. Made from durable, comfortable materials, they protect feet while offering casual style. Ideal for travelers, campers, or beachgoers, these flip-flops combine convenience, comfort, and portability. Save luggage space and step comfortably on your adventures. Click the product link below to get your Rosoz foldable travel flip-flops. Number 17. Kitsch-dry-shampoo-travel-size. Kitsch-dry-shampoo. Travel-size keeps hair fresh and clean on the go. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for flights, long trips, or busy days when washing isn't possible. Absorbing excess oil while adding volume, it revitalizes hair instantly. TSA-friendly and portable, it fits easily in carry-ons or handbags. Ideal for travelers, students, or professionals, it ensures hair looks great anywhere. Click the product link below to grab your Kitsch Dry Shampoo travel size and stay fresh on the move. Number 18. Modengkongjian Travel Toiletry Bottles 16-pack. The Modengkongjian Travel Toiletry Bottles 16-pack simplifies packing liquids for travel. Leak-proof and refillable, they hold shampoo, lotion, or sanitizer efficiently. Lightweight, durable, and TSA approved. They fit neatly in toiletry bags, backpacks, or luggage. Perfect for families, frequent travelers, or minimalists. They prevent spills and keep items organized. Travel smart while maintaining hygiene with this complete set. Click the product link below to get your Modengkongjian Travel Toiletry Bottles 16-pack. Number 19. Mzoo-Luxury-Sleep-Eye-Mask. The mzoo-Luxury-Sleep-Eye-Mask ensures total darkness for restful sleep anywhere. Soft, contoured, and adjustable, it blocks light without pressing on the eyes, providing maximum comfort. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for flights, hotels, or naps on the go. Ideal for frequent travelers or shift workers, it improves sleep quality and relaxation. Combine luxury with practicality while traveling. Click the product link below to grab your Mzoo-Luxury Sleep-Eye-Mask. Number 20. Perytong-sleep-headphones-wireless. The Perytong-sleep-headphones-wireless combine comfort and entertainment for travelers. Lightweight, soft, and flexible, they double as a sleep mask and wireless headphones, delivering soothing music or white noise for restful sleep. Ideal for airplanes, trains, or hotels, they reduce noise and improve relaxation during travel. Rechargeable and portable, they fit easily into backpacks or luggage. Perfect for frequent travelers, students, or shift workers, they enhance comfort and rest on the go. Click the product link below to grab your Perytong Sleep Headphones Wireless. That's a wrap on our 20 travel accessories on Amazon that make long trips comfortable. Try these gadgets on your next adventure and experience travel like never before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more travel hacks.